Rear-end collisions can be costly, especially on vehicles equipped with blind spot radar sensors. These sensors are mounted directly to the rear panel, and even a minor impact can throw them out of alignment. The problem? Even the most experienced technician can't spot misalignment just by looking. That's why new technology requires new tools. With the ADA's Aiming Blind Spot Measuring and Alignment tool, you can measure sensor alignment with precision in just minutes. During your estimate, measure both sensors and record vertical and horizontal angles. If misaligned, you can add 3 to 5 hours of labor time to your estimate. That's the average it takes to realign these panels by hand. Sheet metal is pressed to factory perfection, and correcting it requires small, time-consuming adjustments. Even panel replacement isn't straightforward. Welding generates heat that can warp panels and misalign sensors again. Yet most estimating systems only give 0.2 hours for sensor replacement and no time at all for alignment. This is why the ADA's Aiming Blind Spot Measuring and Alignment tool is essential. It helps you document misalignment, justify additional labor, and capture revenue that's often left on the table. Get the Blind Spot Measuring and Alignment tool in your shop today and start adding accuracy and profit to every rear-end repair.